Hey, DVR Tech here with the February Makergeeks box. So let's go ahead and open this up. So this month we have a wire brush tool. We have, what exactly is this? Let's go ahead and open her up. Take a look. It's like a piece of filament and a sticker. No, magnetic sticker. That's pretty cool. So, if I understand right, this is cleaning thread for your print nozzle. You can feed it up through and kind of clean out anything that might be clogging it. Maybe better than using the small nozzle cleaning tools. I guess we'll have to find that out. So let's take a look and see what else is in the box. Got two small foam pieces. We have Urban Fossil. Now, I actually already have some of this, I think from one of my earlier boxes. And this looks really nice. I'll flash over to a print I real recently did here for my Oculus using this. It's just a great color. It's kind of that army sort of green look. What else we have? We have White Hot White. Well, and it is exactly what it says. It's just white filament. There you have it. That's the end of our box. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Until next time, and if you are holding out for a new mining video, I'll give you a little preview. This is the new rig I am working on right here. This guy is a different design from my PVC miner I did last time. This one is going vertical instead of horizontal. So there's a little peek right there. Thanks.